Hello friend, now we learn the whole command. So open a file, new, part, OK. Now draw the any one part. So select extrude, placement, define, front plane, then sketch. Now this symbol define the whole tool. Now you can also open the insert menu and select the whole tool. So open it. Now this define a simple hole. This define the standard hole. This define the rectangle as a drill hole profile. This define the standard hole profile as drill hole profile. This define the sketch to define a drill hole profile. You can enter the diameter value over here. This define the different depth up to which you require. First one, drill from placement reference by specified depth value. Second one, drill on both sides of the placement reference by half the specified depth value. Drill up to the next surface. Drill to intersect with all surface. Drill to intersect with selected surface. Drill to selected point, curve, plane or surface. Okay, now this define also depth value up to which you require a depth. So now we understand with a simple hole. Please click on the surface on which you hole is required. These two green point select and set on the any one plane. Now you can modify this dimension as per your requirement. Okay, now this diameter value you can modify this. You can also modify the diameter value over here. Okay, this define the depth value up to which drill is required. Okay, now press OK. Now you can see the hole. Okay, now we can see the standard hole example. This hole, please set this point. Okay, now select the standard hole. This define the different standard. We can use a ISO standard. This define the standard hole. These two define the different shape. This define the countersink and this define the counter bore. So if you select the counter bore and please open the shape. Now you can modify the counter bore dimension. Okay, now you can modify this dimension. This define the depth up to which we require a hole. Press OK. Now you can see this counter bore hole shape. This defines the standard hole up to this depth. OK. Now create a simple another standard hole. Okay, standard hole, ISO standard, this standard define also. Now use a counter 6 shape hole. Okay, so now press OK. Now you can see the counter bore. Okay, now let we see the another example of a hole. So open new part, draw the placement, define front plane, sketch, select a circle. Okay, now select a hole. Apply the hole over here in a shape. You can see the different type: linear, radial, diameter. Linear means what? You can set the two distance linear. Okay, but in this you can set the two plane. Okay, now you can modify this dimension. In a radial, you can select the one plane and select the one axis. Okay, now you can modify this dimension. This define the radius. Okay, you can modify this radius. Okay, now another one is a diameter. In this also you can select the plane and one axis and plane. So this total define the diameter value. Okay, so you can modify this diameter also. Okay, now you can set this dimension and press OK. Thank you.